Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am trying out an eyebrow product. That's why my eyebrows are not done. This is called Easy Breezy Brows. And yeah, it's like Easy Breezy Beautiful CoverGirl because it is by CoverGirl. But it's Easy Breezy Brows in a soft brown 610. So this is supposed to be a brow mascara. Ooh, directions in the back. It says work upwards. Use short strokes to continue the shape and define the brow. Okay? Pretty simple. So let's go ahead and open it up. It was just a few dollars at my local store, my local Walgreens store. Bushy eyebrows are in this year. Not so extremely thin and defined. They're bushy. Ombre is not as popular. So let's see if this is going to give me those beautiful, bushy, full eyebrows. You guys can see it is honestly just a plain like mascara wand that's curved. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it on this one. Now, I do wish the wand was straight. That is a huge difference. Look at that. I'm going to go ahead and just clean it up right there at the edge. Huge, huge difference. Does it last all day? I don't know. I'm going to do check-ins throughout the day and let you guys know whether it fell, flaked off, came off. I don't know. It's 115 degrees here in Las Vegas today, and I am going to be out and about, so I will do check-ins. Let me go ahead and finish up the other one, show you what it looks like, and then I'll see you guys in a few hours. So it's easier if you kind of just, if you push it down on the skin, but because it's curved, I'm not getting a straight line, so I have to go, so I can't do this. I have to bring it where I have that curve, the top of the curve, and I have it flat against, so I can actually get more of a straight line. Yeah, that does a big difference. Do you guys like this bushy look? I gotta clean it up. So tell me, guys, do you like the bushy brows? I think they look really pretty, actually. But what do you guys think? I had to take this concealer and kind of just clean up the edges where I got out of place. But extremely, extremely full. Really super impressed, actually, with how much pigment came out of this and how it did on my eyebrows, how it made my eyebrows look this way. So hopefully this works. Hopefully this will save you guys a lot of money. I feel that they are 100% more thick looking than they normally are. So I'll see you guys in a few hours. Okay guys, so I'm with my sister-in-law here. This is Sandy. I was asking her about my eyebrows. So what do you think? Do you think that they're too bushy?
No, I like them. I think it came out really well. You can tell just a little bit.
She was saying that you could tell with the strokes in the corner more.
But it looks great.
You like it?
I like it.
Even though it's full, she thinks it's awesome. And just so you guys know, they're still set in place. It is very hot. It's like 115 degrees.
Very hot. As you can tell, my makeup's gone.
Yeah. But mine's not, and they're still set in place, so that's great. So this is the end of the night. I'm actually taking off my makeup. I haven't touched my eyebrows yet. But look, they are intact. Let's go ahead and rub them since it's late at night. See if it smears up. So yeah, if you rub them super hard, it will smear up. I don't know who the heck is going to rub their eyebrow like that. But look, they all stayed in place. This is so cheap in comparison to a lot of those name brands. They looked full. They looked beautiful. My sister-in-law, she loved how they looked, and so I'm actually going to give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this review, and I will try to post a link to this brow product down below if I can find it. If not, I did get it at my local Walgreens. It was just a few dollars. Will not break your bank, and it will save you money. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.